The current value of the standard deviation can be used to estimate the importance of a move or set expectations. This assumes that price changes are normally distributed with a classic bell curve. Even though price changes for securities are not always normally distributed, chartists can still use normal distribution guidelines to gauge the significance of a price movement. In a normal distribution, 68% of the observations fall within one standard deviation, while 95% fall within 2 and 99.7% fall within 3. Using these guidelines, traders can estimate the significance of a price movement. A move greater than one standard deviation would show above average strength or weakness, depending on the direction of the move. The chart on the screen shows Microsoft, MSFT, with a 21-day standard deviation in the indicator window. There are around 21 trading days in a month and the monthly standard deviation was 0.88 on the last day. In a normal distribution, 68% of the 21 observations should show a price change less than 88 cents. 95% of the 21 observations should show a price change of less than 1.76 cents, which is 2 by 0.88 or 2 standard deviations. 99.7% of the observations should show a price change of less than 2.64, which is 3 by 0.88 or 3 standard deviations. Price movements that were 1, 2 or 3 standard deviations would be deemed noteworthy. The 21-day standard deviation is still quite variable as it fluctuated between 0.32 and 0.88 from mid-August until mid-December. A 250-day moving average can be applied to smooth the indicator and find an average, which is around 68 cents. Price moves larger than 68 cents were greater than the 250-day SMA of the 21-day standard deviation. These above-average price movements indicate heightened interest that could foreshadow a trend change or mark a breakout. The standard deviation is a statistical measure of volatility. These values provide chartists with an estimate for expected price movements. Price moves greater than the standard deviation show above average strength or weakness. The standard deviation is also used with other indicators, such as Bollinger Bands. These bands are set 2 standard deviations above and below a moving average. Moves that exceed the bands are deemed significant enough to warrant attention. As with all indicators, the standard deviation should be used in conjunction with other analysis tools, such as momentum oscillators or chart patterns.